Hi there, my name is Miss Ramsey and I am a teacher at Rocky River High School. I just wanted to say welcome to the new school year. We're all so excited to have our students back with us, and we're all looking forward to a really exciting year. If you have clicked on this video, it is likely because your student has me either for Earth Science or for AP Environmental Science. So that is what I am teaching this semester, and I'm really looking forward to it. So what I'm going to do is show you my Canvas page, or our class Canvas page, really quickly, and just some highlights of that, as well as give you a couple of links for my contact information and for leaving your contact information with me, and also having access to your students' syllabus if you would like to take a look at that. So on the screen right now, I have my Earth Science homepage up for Canvas. If you're in my AP class, it will pretty much look exactly identical, but I just wanted to point out some highlights. I know students don't have their Chromebooks yet, but we are going to try to roll those out really soon once they get into the building, so they should have their Chromebooks relatively soon at the beginning of the semester, and then everything that they need will really be here on Canvas. So when you go into our Canvas page, I just have pretty general information. So if you'd like some more information about me, as well as my contact information, our syllabus, I will have a separate video on how to navigate the course. So if your student needs some extra help with finding anything on Canvas, I have a list of our rules and our procedures for our classroom, as well as a Q1 assignments button. So what this is basically just a button that students will be able to click on, and they'll be able to see in one place what assignments they have due for me and when they're due. So it makes it really easy. We're going to kind of do a combination of handwritten notes and then digital activities. So your student will have both paper pencil activities as well as electronic activities that they'll be turning in. So on this page, everything will be there for them, kind of simple in order of activities that we do, and I'll also let them know whether they should be submitting that on Canvas or whether they should have turned that into me physically in the classroom. If we scroll down a little bit, there's a button that says click here for lessons. And every day I will have their lessons linked. So again, even if we're doing something by hand in class, so if they're taking their notes by hand or doing an activity, I'll still link it for the day, and I'll indicate that we did something on paper that they should have turned in class. And then of course, all of those lessons will be stored in their unit. So if you miss a day, or you just need to go back and review content, everything will be there for you at the click of a button, so you don't have to really spend too much time trying to go back and have difficulty looking for anything, because it's all going to be really easy to find. So that's just an overview of our Canvas course. I'll take your student through it step by step once they do get their Chromebooks, and like I said, I'll be having another video to show the navigation of the course as well. So any questions that they have, they can definitely ask me. And I'm going to go back to the home page for just a minute, and I'm going to click on my contact information so I can bring that up. So on the screen right now, we have my email, my text phone number. So if you ever want to text me, that's my Google Voice number. And then also, I also have remind codes set up for each of my classes. So this is the Earth Science remind code if they wanted to sign up for that. Again, I'm going to show them how to do that in class when they get in there next Wednesday. But if they wanted to get a jump on that, they most certainly could. And then also some information about my tutoring hours. Right now, I expect to have tutoring on Tuesdays from 2:15 to 3:15. Or if Tuesdays don't work for your student, they could always come to me and request an appointment for another day in the week. So that's tentative. We know that at the beginning of the year can be very hectic, so some things are subject to change, but right now, tentatively, those are going to be my tutoring hours. So feel free to pause the video if you want to take down any of this information, but it will also be in your child's syllabus that they will take home with them on Wednesday, or on the screen that I'm about to show you. Okay, so now that we've gone over the Canvas page, I'm just going to pull up these QR codes that you can use. Move myself over here. So I have 3 QR codes on the screen. The first one is for a parent sign-in. So if you want to leave your contact information with me, if you'll take out your phone and open up your camera and just scan that code, there will be a Google form for you to fill out where you can leave your phone number, your email, your preferred method of contact, and also there's a place at the bottom that if you have any specific questions or concerns about your student, you can leave that for me as well. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, you can use my contact information that was on the other page to reach out to me in the meantime as well. I also have digital copies of our syllabi if you want to go ahead and take a look at that. Same thing for the QR code. You just open your camera, scan it, and then you'll be able to see your student's syllabus. So Earth Science is in the middle, so Standard Earth, that middle QR code, and then for my AP Environmental, that's on the very right of the screen. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to throw those resources out for you. Again, if you have any questions at all, feel free to email or text me, let me know. And I am really looking forward to a fresh start to this new year. I'm looking forward to having students in the class, and I can't wait. It should be really fun. Again, if you need anything, just let me know, and I look forward to a fantastic year. Bye.